Did I have heat damage after using this Tymo hair straightener? Did my curls revert back? Do my curls revert back as a person who blow dries their hair on a regular basis? Well, if you're a person who always has their curls reverting back right after they get their flat iron, or you experience heat damage, or your flat iron just never turns out right, then this is the video for you. So keep on watching and give this video a thumbs up.
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.
Now before we get all started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Now this clip that's playing right now is the last time I straightened my hair with this Tymo hair straightener, and one of the main questions that everyone was asking was, is your hair going to revert back? Do you have heat damage? Well, you guys, this is my hair about almost a month, no, not a month, maybe like 2 weeks later. After I straightened my hair, I kept it straight for about a week, and then I shampooed my hair, blow dried it again, and put braids in, and now we're here taking these braids out. Okay, before we do anything, I want to show you guys what scientific brushing is. Within the 7-day challenge, everybody knows exactly how to apply scientific brushing and you know what to do with it, but this is how you add scientific brushing to your wash day. And most people don't realize this, but when you go into the hair salon, we automatically do scientific brushing. It is a part of the deal. My lips are moving. Guru VIP, we'll get the unedited version of this video, but let's get into it. So the very first thing that I am going to do is make sure that my entire head is detangled, right? But the main purpose of me doing this in the first place is to remove the dead skin from my scalp and from my hair shaft. I am also removing bacteria and any type of product buildup that there is, right? So what you're seeing me do right now is just go through, assess my hair, and feel it. Don't rush. Be in a good mood. Be in good energy, right? Because it's self-care day. So first up, what I'm going to do is take this tool. Links can be found in the description box below. And I'm going to simply part off my hair. I'm doing this all over my entire scalp. And as I take these small partings, I am just simply aiding my scalp at getting rid of these dead skin cells. Remember, I always tell you guys that the average person skin cell turnover week is every 28 days, right? Every 28 days, the dead skin cells on your scalp die off, they fall off, and then new cells make their way up. And with those new skin cells that are coming up, you also have that ½ an inch that you're supposed to be growing every single month. So the more you aid the body at removing those dead skin cells, the easier it is for you to shampoo your hair. Not to mention, at this point, I am also pulling the natural sebum, which is the natural oil that my body makes. I am helping to guide it down my hair shaft before I shampoo. So if you're a person who starts to do this, right, you will notice, just like everybody within my challenge, notice that it is almost night and day a difference of your wash day and how easy it is for you to detangle your hair. And after taking out my braids that have been in for approximately a week, a little longer than a week, this is all of the hair that shed, and this is after all of my detangling. It's so easy to comb through my hair, and there are no tangling. It's no tangling. Okay, listen. OLAPLEX for C is one of those shampoos that you can use, you know, when you stand up. The theory, like, oh, you don't need to actually wash your hair. Yes, you do. And especially if you're a person who like layers product on, the cuticle gets full sometimes, over full. So there's nothing wrong with cleaning it. So it's more than enough time, because you're only supposed to leave it on for a couple minutes. So if you take the time to just lightly, after you went like this across the scalp, the product is now sitting there. So now you can just cleanse the hair shaft. Somebody tell you You don't need to clean your hair shaft. They one of those people. They get in the shower and they don't wash their legs or their feet. They just let the water run down. They nasty. You nasty. Because if you don't wash your hair, and the only thing you washing is your scalp, whatever was on your scalp is now on your hair. So you definitely are supposed to wash your hair. What are y'all talking about? You supposed to wash it. You supposed to wash it. A girl on YouTube tell you you don't gotta wash your hair. She don't wash her feet. She got dirty feet. She tell you ain't gotta wash your hair. She got dirty feet. She one of them chicks with them dirty toes. Her feet stink. Bad money, her dude be like, babe, you smell that? Her feet stink. So now I'm about to go. Oh my God. I'm about to go have some me time with my hair, with myself. And then I'm gonna come back to put the conditioner on. This is shampoo number 2 with OLAPLEX number oh my God. With OLAPLEX 4, just the regular shampoo. And for everybody that's like, oh, you gonna wash your natural oils out, your hair gonna be dry. Stupid! That's stupid. Because when you get up in the morning and be like, don't wash your butt? Cause your skin need them natural oils, so you better leave your booty stinking. Just put on lotion. Just wash up with lotion, so you can keep your natural oils. No, you don't do that. And if you do, you nasty and your booty stink. So I just want to say, there's no reason for us to overuse OLAPLEX. OLAPLEX has made it so this top right here makes it so like you get the exact amount that you need. Remember, I was holding my head upside down shampooing, so
Sure you check the video link in the description box below where I told you guys that when I had my last weave, your girl went a little too overboard flat ironing her leave out. So that is the part that you see where the curls are a little bit different. And again, check my last video out, because here I am demonstrating to you exactly how to put on conditioner properly and an easy way to put it on and avoiding the scalp. So if you really want to hear the detailed version of that, click the video link in the description box, because I'll go over it there. All right, now I am putting this OLAPLEX 8 on my hair shaft. This is the conditioning treatment that I always use anytime I do a clarifying shampoo or a detox. So anytime you do a detox or a clarifier, of course the conditioner you'll use after that is going to be a moisturizing conditioner. But as you can notice, the longer the product is on my hair, the longer the conditioner is on my hair, and I'm going through this process, my curls are slowly reverting back. Okay, remember that it is only when you don't have proper preparation, or if you're going too far with the flat iron like I did in that one little spot, that you worry about heat damage. And heat damage is not that deep. I'm not cutting my hair off because of that one little piece. Okay, okay.
Okay, now let's rinse the conditioner out. And then I'm gonna come back, grab brush like not, I don't think I'm gonna talk through what I'm gonna do whatsoever on that. Then fix my nails. Y'all know I do my hair. By the time it's time for me to do my hair, I fix my nails. Manage your business. I actually don't know what color I'm doing. I think I'm gonna keep the same. You don't care. I bet.
At this point, I am getting ready to do a flat iron on my hair, right? I switch it up, and I basically do every 2 weeks. I switch my styles over, because having repetition is one of the easiest ways to make sure that the follicle is always active and that the cuticle has memory and is never disturbed, right? Because you're never touching it. So again, we're allowing all of my bonds to reset, and now all of the bonds, the hydrogen bond in my hair is broken and completely looking for direction, does not have any clue what I wanted to do, right? So that is why I am about to part my hair off in 4 sections after I put one full pump, only one pump of OLAPLEX 9 on my hair. I have a very high sebum level, so even though I have high porosity hair, my hair gets so oily so fast. So the more product I put on my hair, the faster my hair is gonna get oily. So I barely do a full pump of OLAPLEX 9. I do like a half of pump, and then I put it on my entire head and then I slowly work the product in. Then after that, blow dry, flat iron, and then use a heat protectant, and boom, shika-la-boom, we are done. Make sure that you stay tuned for this entire series and leave me some comments below. I love you. I do. Oh, okay. See, I'm acting like I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, and then this gets the product on my hair, and not my scalp, because that's what we're going for. I'm flat ironing my hair, not my scalp.
Actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say it's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall, remember?